Good morning, everyone. The title of this video is Why Should You Subscribe to Red Berets? Here's what I'm going to be covering moving forward. As you'll see from the videos, what I've covered so far is a little bit and a lot about crafting and actually not all that much about crafting, but I talk about a little bit about crafters and certainly a lot about whole Washington. Uh, um, some about the direction that I feel that the healthcare justice, Medicare for all movement needs to go in terms of strategy. So I talk a lot about that. After this week, which here on Friday through Sunday, Kenny Ballantyne is coming into town to film the beginnings of his healthcare justice documentary. I will be figuring out or getting some tutorial help on how to upload videos. So the content will improve by the fact that I will be inviting people, other people from whole Washington, nurses and the 99% and other people on to talk about healthcare justice, different actions, different things that are happening, perspectives, lots of things. Okay. I'm also going to give an up to date bird's eye view into the ballot initiative process that is going to be taking place here in Washington state. The initiative will be filed. We'll be moving forward here in 2021 to get universal health care to the Washington state ballot. I do hope to not entirely leave out the crafting element of things. If I can get somebody's help, maybe, uh, like how we can create a video where we film and upload it. I would also like to include that. As crafting is a big piece of what we do, and so far all you have really seen is me wearing them and me talking a little bit about them and thanking the crafters. So I would ask you please to like and subscribe. Share the channel. We are going to be improving and growing it. But essentially, I decided that, since there's so many other things for progressive media to cover, I want to very, very thoroughly and frequently give updates as to how whole Washington is doing, how everybody in the nation can be part of this historic ballot initiative process, direct democracy, as our legislature, both at the federal level and the state level, has failed us. They're taking our tax dollars and they're not representing us. When you can't get hearings at the federal level and you can't get them at the local state level, even though you have 7 Senate co-sponsors. Thank you very much, David, for subscribing. And it looks like hopefully I'll be able to get around 100 subscribers today. And we got to start, we start somewhere. I thank every single person who has subscribed so far. Here I am at 3 minutes, so I was going to keep this short. Please like and subscribe to this channel. We will be growing it. We will be bringing you more. We need to have a very inclusive, multi-pronged approach, which includes always fighting on all fronts for healthcare justice. And if you missed the video, let's see, Georgia Davenport and myself speaking on the national conference call of the People's Party, we talked a lot about how it's a synergistic approach with growing a major party as they're working to get ballot access in all of the different states and working on the national party platform and the state party platforms. Whole Washington is going to advise on that platform and advise on policy and basically help get everybody aware of how they can start introducing legislation, and if they're in a state where they can run ballot initiatives, doing that. We can no longer wait around and continue to count on this top-down approach. We're demanding things like force the vote. That didn't come through. And now where is the leverage? We can keep asking and asking, but this comes down to us and what we're willing to do. And wholewashington.org is leading the way in this effort. So please, as I asked in the video yesterday, if everybody could share this video, if you're able to make a small donation or a donation to wholewashington.org, we are in fact going to be needing to print petitions whenever you purchase a Red Beret or mittens or a COVID mask or any of the other merch, just keep in mind that you can wear this in solidarity, and also you will know that you have sponsored the printing of petitions for gathering wet signatures, which are required in Washington state. Thank you very much. Bye. I'll see you on Ron Placone here in just a little while.